Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The world of mirrorless cameras is evolving at a rapid pace, with every new release bringing forward groundbreaking advancements in image quality, processing power, and usability. Among the most anticipated upcoming models is the Nikon Z5 II, a potential successor to the widely popular Nikon Z5. While Nikon has yet to officially announce its launch, industry rumors suggest an early 2025 release. If the leaked specs hold, the Z5 II could set new standards in the mid-range full-frame mirrorless market. The original Nikon Z5 earned praise for its affordability, robust build, and solid full-frame performance. However, the Z5 II is expected to push the boundaries further, introducing major upgrades in sensor technology, autofocus precision, video capabilities, and overall design. Whether you're a professional photographer, a content creator, or an enthusiast seeking an entry into full-frame photography, this camera might just be the perfect fit. Upgraded sensor and image processing. Next-level quality. At the heart of any camera lies its sensor, and Nikon is rumored to equip the Z5 II with a 24.5 MP FX format BSI CMOS sensor. This upgrade promises enhanced low-light performance, wider dynamic range, lower noise levels in high ISO settings. For photographers frequently working in challenging lighting conditions, this improvement could make a significant difference. But a powerful sensor needs an equally capable image processor. This is where the rumored XP7 image processor comes in, offering faster image rendering speeds, superior color accuracy and white balance, more efficient power consumption for extended battery life. With faster processing speeds, photographers will experience reduced buffer times, making it easier to capture crucial moments with minimal delay. This combination of a high-quality sensor and an advanced processor positions the Nikon Z5 II ahead of competitors in its category. Video capabilities. A game-changer for content creators. With the rise of hybrid shooters, mirrorless cameras must excel in both photography and videography. The Z5 II is expected to feature UHD 4K recording at 30 frames per second, a potential 4K 60 frames per second mode, 10-bit HDMI output for professional-grade color grading, N-Log support for cinematic dynamic range. For vloggers, filmmakers, and YouTube content creators, these upgrades will provide greater creative flexibility. With Nikon making strides in video performance, the Z5 II could stand toe-to-toe with rivals like the Sony a7 III, Canon EOS R8, and Panasonic Lumix S5. Autofocus system. Faster, smarter, and more accurate. A critical feature of modern cameras is autofocus performance, and the Z5 II is expected to introduce an enhanced AF system with real-time eye detection AF, improved subject tracking technology, faster low-light autofocus performance. For wildlife photographers, sport shooters, and portrait artists, this means sharper, more reliable focus tracking. If Nikon refines its AF algorithms, the Z5 II could rival models like the Sony a7 III and Canon EOS R6. In-body image stabilization. Smoother and sharper results. Another area where Nikon aims to improve is IBIS. The Z5 II is rumored to feature a 5-axis IBIS system, helping photographers and videographers achieve sharper handheld shots, smoother video recording without gimbals, improved performance in low light and long exposure settings. For those capturing action shots, handheld video, or night photography, this feature will make a noticeable impact. Design and build. Maintaining strength while enhancing comfort. Nikon is known for its ergonomic camera designs, and the Z5 II is expected to retain the best aspects of its predecessor while refining. Button placement for more intuitive control. A deeper grip for better handling. Weather sealing to protect against dust and moisture. For outdoor photographers shooting in harsh conditions, a well-sealed body is a major advantage. Storage and connectivity. Streamlined workflow for professionals. Storage flexibility is essential, and the Z5 II is rumored to include dual SD UHS-2 card slots for backup storage or separate RAW and JPEG recording, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless image transfer and remote shooting. These features will enhance workflow efficiency, whether you're working in a studio or on location. Market position. Competing with the best. A big question surrounding the Z5 II is pricing. The original Z5 was an affordable entry into Nikon's full-frame lineup. If Nikon keeps the price competitive while introducing major upgrades, the Z5 II could become one of the best value mirrorless cameras available. It will directly compete with Sony A7 III, Canon EOS R8, Panasonic Lumix S5. Each of these cameras has its strengths, but if Nikon delivers strong image quality, autofocus, stabilization, and video features, the Z5 II could carve out a significant share of the mirrorless market. Final thoughts. A major step for Nikon. Beyond its features, the Z5 II could play a crucial role in shaping Nikon's future in the mirrorless space. With DSLRs becoming obsolete, Nikon needs to innovate and keep pace with advancements in mirrorless technology. If the Z5 II delivers on its rumored specs, it could reinforce Nikon's reputation as a key player in the full-frame camera market. The excitement surrounding this model is understandable. If Nikon gets it right, they may have a winner on their hands. What are your thoughts? Do you think the Nikon Z5 II will live up to expectations? Can it compete with the best full-frame mirrorless cameras? Are these upgrades enough, or should Nikon push further? And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest camera news, reviews, and trends.